Hello and welcome to CAD World channel. In this demonstration, I will explain you how to convert an angular dimension from decimals to the format of degree minute or degree minute second format. Okay, so you can see here we are in a drawing mode, in which this is a part and we are having these dimensions. Now this is the dimension we want to convert. So we will select this dimension. Okay, so once you select this dimension, then you can see here, these are the decimal places. Okay, so maybe, okay, so you can see here, this is the two decimal places for this dimension. Now how to convert this angular dimension from decimal places to the decimal, from the decimal degree to degree minute or degree minute second format. So we have selected this. So you can see here that this is the dimension format. Okay, so we will click this dimension format, and so you can see here that this is selected for decimal. Now we can convert this from degree to degree minute or degree minute second. Okay, so for once we will select this degree minute. Okay, so you can see here that this dimension has been converted from 42.75 degree to 42 degree 45 minute. Okay, and similarly, if we scroll down again and then select degrees minute second, so you can see here that this dimension has been converted from degree minute to degree minute second format. Okay, so in this way we can convert a dimension from degree decimals to degree minute or degree minute second format. So hope you have liked this video. So please subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.